So hey everyone, welcome back to the Skillsharp. I am Akshay and today we are going to see the escape sequences in Python programming language. Okay, so what exactly the escape sequence is? We want to escape from something, right? So here you can see escape sequence is a sequence of characters that doesn't represent itself when it is used inside a string. Okay, and what are the escape sequences? Here you can see slash n is for new line, slash t is for horizontal tab, slash b is for backspace, double slash is for backslash, single quote, slash quote, and slash double quote is for representing double quote. Okay, so here I will try to show you one by one the example of each character sequence or escape sequences. Okay, so here I am using the print statement. So here print, and I am using the statement hello world here. Okay, and exclamation mark. And if I run this, oh yeah, we need to check the compiler. It's Python 3.11. Okay, and let's run this statement. Now you can see hello world is printed out, right? What if I want to print same statement in the second line or some other statement in the second line? In that scenario, I have to do print, and again I have to enter a new string literal inside it. How it's there, right? So here, if I run this, you can see it prints on the two different line, right? But what if you don't need to two different print statements to print on a different line? You can do it in one single print statement as well. So there we can use the next line or the new line sequence. Okay, so here for this you need to use slash n, and you can add the statement how is there. Okay, and if you print oh sorry, we need to another slash, we need to use the another slash. So here I will change it and let's print it. So here you can see space how is there is printed on the second line, right? So this is the new line escape sequence. Let's go to the next escape sequence, and that is slash t. And for slash t, here I will create a new statement print, and yeah, here I will use, here you can see I am not a slash t robot. So here you can see I am not, and then a big tab is there, and then not a robot is printed. So it's a horizontal tab. Slash t is used for horizontal tab. The next escape sequence is backspace. Okay, so here I am going to print a word India. So here you can see I misspelled the India, I-N-D-D-I-A. Okay, I have used two D's here. So it's the wrong spelling. I can correct it here like this. I use backslash B. So what exactly happens here? It started to print I, and then it will try to print D, and then it C. Okay, there is one backslash. Then it removes the first D and print again DIA. And here you can see India name is printed. So it will print the cursor one step back or one letter back. Okay, then the next character sequence or escape sequence is, here you can see we use slash. So if you want to represent paths, so you can see in Linux path or in Windows path, mostly we use these slashes to represent the directory structure or hierarchy structure or path of a file, right? In this way. So here, for sometimes it happens that we use, then it won't escape that slash. So in that way, you can use double slash to escape the slash. So here you can see I use two slashes, and here it won't print. It just prints C colon slash data. If I do double slashes here, and I print another directory, like you can see desktop, and I will print. So you can see C slash data slash desktop is printed here. Okay, so in this way we can use the backslash as well. The next escape sequence is our single quotes, and mostly we use the single quotes to such like his or just represent the ownership of something, right, in English language. So here if I print his, so you can see here I have used single quotes and it shows, oh, here it thinks after he the statement is closed or the string literal is completed, and what's the yes, Python compiler is confused there. So that's why we can add a slash single quote, and it will escape that slash, and it now it will think it's a string, and now you can see it's printed properly here, his. Okay, then let's another way you can do it in this way is you can use the double quotes for the string representation, and inside it you can use the single quotes, but in some cases you need the escape sequences, right? And it works same for the double quotes as well. So here I am printing one statement. So here in double quote, he said, then colon, and I will use this like direct speech. And now here, I am the hero. So you can see again Python compiler is getting confused what where the string start and where it ends. So for escaping those string literals or that quotes, we can use slash double quote, and if you print, so now you can see it is printed properly here. So in this way, escape sequences working in Python, and in most of the programming language, escape sequences are the same as in the Python. So this is all for this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to share this content with enthusiastic coders. We will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.